So to make you updated sa lahat po ng kaganapan dito sa ating negosyo. Okay, without further ado, okay, sa video po na ito o sa tutorial na ito, I will going to talk everything about the company, business concepts, the compensations, the amazing promotion, and of course, the upcoming events po ng company. Okay? Ang company po ay Crowd1 and Impact Crowd1 Technology na isang European company na na-establish po ng 2019 ni Jonas Eric Warner, who is the founder of the Crowd1, and Johan Estel von Holstein, who is the CEO of Impact Crowd1 Technology. Ito po ang ating founder na si Jonas Eric Warner. Ipapakilala ko po sa inyo para at least may idea po kayo kung sino tong mga tao na behind this amazing opportunity na kinabibilangan po natin. Si Jonas Eric Warner po ay widely considered as network marketing guru because of his over 2 decades of experience on this kind of industry. So, he boasts an impressive records on sales, marketing, and management of fast-growing network organizations. Okay? So, he is a business visionary. Alright, so, ito naman po ang ating CEO na si Johan Estel von Holstein, isa pong European, okay, Swedish, who is a multi-billionaire also. Okay? Kasi bago pa ginawa ang Crowd1, siya po ay meron ng 3 unicorns sa Europe. At yan na po yung tinatawag natin na si Icon Media Lab. Yan po yung 90s largest IT company. Okay? With over 3,500 employees in 21 countries. Ganun po kalupit yan. Ang iCube po is one of the Europe's largest incubators with 100 plus in-house companies. At ang patatlong unicorn niya, okay, ay itong si tinatawag po natin na letsbuyit.com, which is Europe's largest shopping site na katulad po yan ng Amazon and Alibaba. At itong na nga, ginawa na nga nila itong si Crowd1, which is the new gig economy for software distribution worldwide with 20 million members in just 23 months. So ganyan po kalupit. Okay po, at yan po yung ipapakilala ko sa inyo today. So alamin po natin yung mga opisina na meron po ang Crowd1 so far. Okay? So kahit tayo po ay mga nasa pre-launching stage pa rin, so siyempre tayo po ay may mga opisina na rin kahit na paano po. So Crowd1 International Offices, current location po sa Johannesburg, South Africa, in the Philippines also, Stockholm, Sweden, 2 opisina sa Spain, and of course in London, England. At yung mga bubuksan po natin mga locations, tulad po ng Colombia, Brazil, Nigeria, Hong Kong, at saka ng Kenya. And Crowd1 po ay kahit yan lang po ang ating mga active offices, so meron po tayong we covered, almost 170 countries na rin all over the world. Kasi nga po tayo po ay 20 million na. Okay, now let's talk about the network po ng Crowd1. Ang network po ng Crowd1 ay consist of millions of highly ambitious members with a love of entrepreneurship and sales that provides both employment and source of income. The simplicity and speed of Crowd1 help motivate our entrepreneurs and salespeople. Okay, so gaano na ba kalaki at karami ang network, ang members po ng Crowd1, tulad na sinabi ko, an amazing 20 million members worldwide in just 23 months. Ganon po kalupit itong kumpanya na pinapakilala ko po sa inyo today. Lalo na po doon sa ating mga baguhan sa ating mga bagong members. Ganon po kalupit yan. At doon sa mga nakakakita ng video po natin na ito, mamamangha po kayo sa tindi po ng kumpanya na po na ito, itong Crowd1. Okay, now, alamin natin kung bakit gano'n na lamang kabilis ang paglago at pagsabog ng negosyong ito all over the world. Talagang pinipilahan siya, pinagkakaguluhan, super phenomenal at very trending talaga. Okay? So, let's know more about Crowd1, okay? So, ang Crowd1 po ay hindi po cryptocurrency, hindi po tayo forex, at hindi din po tayo investment. Uulitin ko po kayo, i-highlight ko ito para tayo po ay makaiwas sa maling informasyon, maling conception, okay, about this company, at maiwasan natin yung mga issues na pwedeng iba to sa atin ng ating mga kalabang kasi nag-uumpisa na po sila tayong atakihin dahil nga ang ibang mga members nila ay nasa atin na din. tayo po ay hindi investment. Ipapakilala ko po sa inyo ng mas malinaw at mas malupit. Okay? Tayo po ay hindi gambling at hindi din po tayo lottery company. So ngayon, what is Crowd1? Ang Crowd1 po is the new super trending gig economy, which is the new way to distribute software, a new smartphone lifestyle. At hindi lang po yan, ang Crowd1 po is a customer acquisition machine with the 5-minute power duplication system and the solution for digital nomads. And of course, ang Crowd1 po is the new revolution where people win versus big corporations, the smartest marketing system, and we are an education company. We provide also world-class education. Okay po. So, kumbaga, Crowd1, it is the time to adapt, ano po, the latest trending business of this generation, which is very stable and fastest growing international company, the super powerful online and digital business in the world, and that is Crowd1. The name is Crowd1. Okay, kumbaga, Crowd1 as a social community platform enables members to connect to different business across the world. This is first time in the history to combine e-commerce, network marketing, online gaming, travel business, fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment industry using a single powerful platform. Antindi po ano? Okay, ngayon, kumbaga, ito na yung future. We are already in the future kasi this is the era of the digital world. Tandaan po natin ang everything na ay nag-i-evolve. Kumbaga, ang swerte natin kasi nauna po tayo. Kumbaga, tayo po ay lumalakad na at napapabilang na doon sa tinatawag natin na digital world. At yan na po yung kalakaran ngayon. Yan yung kalakaran. And that is exactly how Crowd1 was designed or was created. At kaya namamangha ang ibang mga kompetensya natin at ang ibang industriya kung ano pa ang ginagawa ng Crowd1, bakit ganyan ang karami, bakit pinagkakaguluhan to, bakit super trending all over the world. Okay, well now, to understand it more clearly and more easily, let me show you this. Okay? Para mas madali po nating maintindihan. O, kilala naman po ninyo ang YouTube, ano? YouTube, ang Netflix, ang Airbnb, isang platform na may pinakamalaking hotels and vacation package. Ano po? Ang Grab, this is the taxi providers. Amazon, online shopping, and the Facebook. Okay, social media. Lahat, alam niyo po ba na all of these big companies, they have one thing in common. And they are all digital platforms. May kanya-kanyang negosyo, pero po sila ay lahat ay digital platforms. Yan po yung unang bagay na meron po silang pagkakatulad. Pero ito pong malupit. Alam nyo po ba, did you know that these companies are the richest business in the world? Yes, it is. Yes, they are. Okay? So that makes the owners of these companies the richest people in the world today. Ngayon, to support this information, here is the new and the latest list of the richest people in the world. And the number one is Jeff Bezos. So, sino ba si Jeff Bezos? Siya po ang may-ari po ng Amazon. Okay? Panlima, si Mark Zuckerberg na may-ari po ng Facebook. Okay? So, at ito yung ating mga newcomers, si Eric Yuan, pumasok na rin po. Siya po ang may-ari ng Zoom. Kung mapapansin po ninyo yung mga binanggit ko ng mga pangalan, yan po ay mga walang sariling products. Wala pong sariling content yan. Sila po ay mga platforms lamang. Pero ang laki po ng kanilang kinikita. Alamin po natin how these companies earn big time. Kung bakit ganun na lang sila kayaman at that makes the owner of the company very rich. Alright? So this company earned actually through downloads. Downloads pa lang po, billion na yan. Grabe yan. Second thing, they earn through subscription tulad po ng Netflix. If you want to watch a movie with full HD with subtitles, unlimited, yan, Netflix. Subscription, they earn a lot. So microtransactions, those, because people today, we just transact or do our purchase online. Just imagine that. Okay? And of course, the last one, they earn through advertisements. In this case, ito yung unang main and major source of their income, advertisements like Facebook and YouTube. Ang dami po nagpa-pop up dyan ng mga ads na mga bayad. Yan yung po mga sponsored advertisements. Anong ginagawa ng mga companies ngayon? Sila po hindi na po sila nagbabayad ng mga artista to promote the products, company, and services nila. Ano po? They just pay the owner of the platform like YouTube and Facebook to promote their products. Okay? And that's the way the business run today. Yan na po yung kalakaran ngayon. Kaya wag po kayong magtaka kung bakit ang konsepto po ng crowdfunding doon na nila ibinase. Okay? Kaya napakaswerte naman natin ng mga members kasi ahead na po tayo doon sa iba pang mga traditional business. At sa palagay ko naman po lahat po ng negosyo ngayon ay nasa online na din. Ang pagkakaiba lang natin, masyado na tayong advanced at very unique po ng ating mga sistema at ang even ng ating mga products. And now, this amazing crowd one was created nga ng ating si Jonas Eric Werner at saka si Johan Estelbon Halstein. Ngayon, para mas malinaw ko pong maipaliwanag sa inyo, let me show you the crowd one ecosystem kung paano po nag-evolve, paano nag-earn, paano nag-work itong platform ng crowd one. Ayan po, ito po si crowd one yan, nasa sentro na yan. Okay po? And then, may tinatawag po tayong mga partner companies. Tulad po ni GritHub, si Afilgo, si Mixter, si Crowd Magazine, Epic One Lotto, Live Trend, Safer, at saka si Tribute. Okay po. So, yan po ay matatagpuan doon sa tinatawag natin na Crowd1 CE Store. Na isa lang sa section po ng platform po ng Crowd1. Lahat pong yan ay nakakonect or nakalink dyan sa platform po ng Crowd1. So, ganyan po katindi yan. Ganyan po kalupit yung platform ng Crowd1. Isipin nyo po yan lahat ay nakakonect sa kanya. Kumbaga, platform within the platform and businesses within the business. So, ganun po ang konsepto po ng Crowd1. And through the crowd marketing, okay, nasa pamamagitan ng mga tinatawag natin crowd economy na tayo ang nagmamarket. And that is how it goes. Ganyan po katindi yung ecosystem niya. Isipin niyo po yung konsepto. Kumbaga, very unique. Kaya nagugulat na lang yung mga kalaban natin. Ano bang meron ng crowd? Bakit ganyan na lang siya pinagkakaguluhan sa buong mundo ngayon? You can just imagine nga naman guys, na 20 million sa tayo, wala pa tayong 2 taon, at hindi pa tayo tapos sa paglalans ng ating mga major products. Pero gano'n na tayo dinudumog all over the world. Okay? So, what makes it more exciting? Ito po yung another exciting part. The time will come po kasi, soon, it will have 50 to 100 companies inside that. For now, kasi 8 pa lang po yung nandyan, nakalink dyan. 8 pa lang. Paano naman kung umabot ng 50 to 100 po na companies? That will generate po billions of profits. Isipin niyo po yan. Kung ngayon po so yan pa lang po ang pinagkukunan ng income po ng Crowd1, sa 8 pa lang o 7 pa lang. Okay? Pero imagine po pag dumating ang panahon na 50 to 100 companies na. You can just imagine. Nakikita niyo ba yung future? The future is really bright po dito. Okay, parang ganito po yung mga kapatid. Ito yung second good news. Okay? Alam niyo po ba na 80% po ng profits po ng company sa lahat po na pinakita ko ng negosyo kanina goes to affiliates. Sa atin po pumupunta yung 80% ng kita nila bilang residual income po at Crowd1 rewards na I will make it detailed do sa second part. So I'm going to explain to you also about the compensation plan, how the company makes money and how we make money from the company. Okay? And that is actually more exciting, right? So, ang matinda pa po nito mga kapatid, did you know also that Crowd1 is listed on Alexa Ranks? Ang Alexa Rank po ay isang website na kung saan ito ang ibig sabihin, yan po yung para sa mga business for homes. Nandiyan po iba't ibang companies all over the world. It could be traditional, direct selling, multi-level marketing, online, digital, nandiyan po lahat yan. Sila po ang nagra-rank. Ang Alexa po ay isang Alexa's traffic, po ito, estimates are based on the data from a global traffic panel, which is a sample of millions of internet users using one of over 25,000 different browsers extensions. Okay? Around the globe, rank of 94,000. A website has approximately 5 million plus annual page views. Ganun po, at yan po ay updated daily. Ito po yung Alexa Ranks. Siya ang nagra-rank po ng iba't ibang companies tulad ng Momentum, yung fastest growing, stable, yung mga companies po na talaga nagbibigay ng magandang compensation at kita sa mga tao. Okay, binabalance po nila yan. Araw-araw po, yan po ay updated. Okay, so dahil ang Crowd1 po ay nakalista dyan sa Alexa Rank, alamin po natin kung nasa ang rank po ang Crowd1 ngayon. Ayan. Ito na nga sinasabi ko mga kapatid. Ang Crowd1 po ay number 1. Uulitin ko, we are number 1 worldwide. Kaya tayo po ay talagang binabanatan ng ating mga kalaban. Ay mantakin mo nga naman, nilampasan niya po yung malalaking companies tulad po ng Young Living, ang Nuskin, Amway, Forever Living na ilang dekada na sa industriya, pero naungusan po natin na tayo po ay wala pa 2 taon. Ganoon na lang po katindi yung negosyo na pinasok po natin. Okay po, antindi po ng Crowd1. Yan, si Tupperware, si Herbalife, Mary Kay, napakaraming malalaking companies pa. Naungusan po lahat yan ni Crowd1. Okay po, kaya po ay maging excited. Okay po, kung if you are an affiliate now, be proud. Because you are in the number 1 fastest growing super online business in the world. And if you are not yet an affiliate, come on guys, join the movement because Crowd1, okay, at 20 million, we are very strong na din. Okay po, so far yan lang po muna ang ipapasilip ko sa inyo, ipapatikim ko sa inyo because on my next video, upcoming next, okay, we're going to talk about the Crowd1 and the library of products and services po ng Crowd1. Okay, so guys, don't forget,